Now, when people hear about H-1B visas, they usually think about technology workers, maybe software engineers, right? But the program plays a much bigger role in American economy. Schools, in fact, hospitals, research institutions, other organizations, they also depend on skilled foreign program and professionals. The reality, it was highlighted during the recent Senate hearing where lawmakers they raised concern about how rising visa costs they are affecting schools in rural communities. Ladies and gentlemen, several lawmakers they kind of argued that school districts in remote parts of America they face the same challenges as hospitals trying to recruit the doctors. In fact, in many cases, there are not enough qualified workers that are available locally. As a result, schools often recruit teachers from overseas, including many from India and other countries too. Senators they urged the Department of Homeland Security just to continue providing flexibility or maybe relief for these critical positions. The story, it is also very important because it highlights a reality often overlooked in the immigration debate. Skilled immigrants, they are not only working in technology companies, they are teaching children, they are treating the patients, in fact, conducting research, supporting communities across the US. In fact, many rural areas depend heavily on these professionals just to fill the positions that would otherwise remain vacant. Now, for Indians considering career abroad, the whole discussion it is encouraging because it shows that some American lawmakers they do recognize the important role skilled immigrants continue to play. However, it also highlights how immigration policies they remain a major topic of debate in Washington. Well, for years, Indian technology professionals they have helped transform North Texas into one of America's fastest growing region, right? Cities like Fresco, maybe Salina, they have become popular destination for Indian families working in tech sector. New homes they were built over there. Businesses expanded and entire communities grew around the arrival of skilled professionals. In fact, so many Indians settled in this area that some residents they jokingly started calling it Delisra. But now that success story, it is facing new challenges. The reason? Simple. Uncertainty. Over the past years, layoffs in the tech sector, strict immigration policy, and concern about the future H-1B visas, it has made many families more cautious. People who were once very eager to buy homes, they are now delaying major financial decisions. In fact, some homeowners, they are even putting properties on the market because they are just very unsure about how long-term job security is going to work for them or not. The impact it is also visible. Home prices in several North Texas suburbs it has started falling, and builders they are finding it very hard to attract the buyers. For many Indian professionals, the fear that's not about losing a job, it's about what happens next. The H-1B workers typically they have a limited period of time just to find a new employer, right? If they lose their first job, and that uncertainty that is affecting housing decisions, investment, in fact, the future plans. Well, the story it shows how closely immigration, jobs, and economy everything is connected. When skilled workers they feel uncertain, entire communities can feel the whole impact.